Welcome everyone. In today's class, we are going to discuss about how to download and install Geek Uninstaller. So it is a powerful tool. It can remove your files permanently from your system. So if you faces any errors like when you try to delete some files, but it will show in some places. For that problem, we can use Geek Uninstaller. For that, you have to open the browser and then you can type Geek Uninstaller download. So after that, you have to open the official website, Geek Uninstaller. So there are two versions, pro version and then free version. If you want to download pro version, you have to pay for that. So if you want to check free version, you can check the free version and then you can download from zip file. So you have to open the folder and then you have to extract the files using 7-zip or WinRAR. So you have to open the extracted folder and then you have to open the Geek exe file. Now I am going to show you how to uninstall a file and remove the file permanently from the registry. So these are all the applications I have installed in my system. So if you want to remove any software, you have to search for that. So for example, I am going to uninstall this file. For that, you have to select uninstall. So you can see some error files. For that, you have to remove the files from the registry. So you have to select yes. So it will check for the leftovers. Wherever the software present in our system, it will remove. So there are many places this software is present. So you can see the registry and then file system. Also you can see the folders. So you can remove the files permanently using finish. It will remove the traces. So if you search for the software in any other places, it will not show because it is completely removed using the Geek Uninstaller software. So it is a good software if you want to remove your files from the registry or completely, you can use. So that's it. If you like my video, please subscribe and share to your friends who wants to uninstall their files using Geek Uninstaller software.